sort of examination, after a thorough examination and analysis, fingerprints of Guo Huaping, Ilin, and fingerprints of Guo, Alice Ilial were found identical. Opinion, NBI to, in view of the foregoing, fingerprints of Guo Huaping, Ilin, and fingerprints of Guo, Alice Ilial were affixed by one and the same person. Isang tao lamang. Yun yung unang-unang tanong ko sa inyo, pero nagsinungaling pa rin kayo. Now, once and for all, Alice Guo, alias Guo Huaping, I am giving you the opportunity to explain why you should not be cited in contempt for lying before this committee and for providing untruthful and evasive testimony. Miss Alice?
Madam Chair, lumaki po ako, alam ko po, ako ay isang Filipino.
1 minute suspension.